Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into Facebook on a trusted device. Make sure two-factor authentication is accessible. Once logged in, go to Menu, then Settings and Privacy, then Settings, find Security and log in to proceed. You do this because backup codes live under your two-factor settings and immediate access prevents lockout. Next, verify your identity with the method Facebook asks for. Enter a code from your phone or authentication app so you can view and edit backup codes securely. Once in the two-factor authentication panel, select Use two-factor authentication to reveal the backup codes option. You're doing this to manage emergency access. Click View to see current codes and choose Generate new codes to replace them. This invalidates old codes immediately. Make sure to authenticate again if prompted. Facebook often asks for your password or a 2FA code. Save the new codes somewhere safe because once rotated, only these will work for account recovery. After generating new backup codes, confirm they work. Log out and use one code to sign back in, which proves the rotation succeeded. If any code is lost or you suspect compromise, regenerate the set right away to revoke them. Make sure to store a copy offline, printed, or in a hardware security module, and never send codes in messages. Troubleshooting tip: if codes fail, clear browser cache, ensure time sync on your device, then regenerate codes to reset access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.